Hi students, let us continue with our chapter speed, idea of speed, distance and time. Exercise 17a, we had completed 3 questions in our previous class. Now let me do the 4th question. It's in page number 157 in your textbook. So coming to the 4th question, question number 4. A racing car covered 600 km in 3 hours 20 minutes. So distance covered is 600 km, time taken is 3 hours 20 minutes. Find its speed in meter per second. How much distance will the car cover in 50 seconds? First you need to find its speed in meter per second. So you need to convert this 600 km into meter. How will you convert? 600 into how much you need to do? 1000, right? 600 into 1000. So what is 600 into 1000? That will give you 6 lakhs. Okay, that will give you 6 lakh. So you'll get it as 6 lakh meters. Now time is 3 hours 20 minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Similarly, you know that 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60, that is equal to 3600 seconds. So I need to convert this whole thing into seconds. How do I do? 3 into 3600 plus, that is hour. Hour to second will be 3 into 3600. Again minute to second is into 20. 20 into 60. Okay. So 3 into 36. 36 into 3 will give you what? 3 6 are 18. 1 balance. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 108. Okay. So 108, then 2 more zeros, plus 20 into 60 will give you 1200. So finally you get the answer as 0 0 0 1 2. So I can just show you the addition. 1200 will give you 0 0 0 1 2 1. So we'll get the answer as, okay, you will get the answer as 12,000 seconds. Now how do I find the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time, correct? We had done in the last class. What is the distance here in meter? 6 lakh. 6 lakh by 12,000, right? So let me cancel all the zeros here. So I have 600 by 12. What is 600 by 12? 600 by 5. 12 5s are 60, 0, 0. So you'll get the answer as 50 meter per second. Remember, it's in meter per second. Okay. Initially it was given in kilometer and hour and minute. You converted into second and meter. So you got the speed in meter per second. Now you need to find out, what's the second sub question asked? How much distance will the car cover in 50 seconds? Distance covered by car. Distance covered by car in 50 seconds. So distance is equal to, what is the formula we had learned for distance? Speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed we already found, right? What was that? 50 into time is also 50. Since this is in second and this is in second, you can directly write 50 into 50, you will get 2500. 5 5s are 25 and 2 zeros. 2500 meter, because your speed is in meter per second. So you will get it as 2500 meters. Is it clear? I hope it's clear to you all. Okay. So let me do the next question now. Now coming to the 5th question. Question number 5. Rohit goes 350 km in 5 hours. Distance is 350 kilometers. Time taken is 5 hours. Find his speed. So what will be the speed? First question is to find the speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 350 by 5. that is equal to 5 ones are 5 sevens are 70. So you'll get it as 70 kilometer per hour. Now coming to the distance covered by Rohit in 6.2 hours. Distance covered by Rohit in time is given as 6.2 hours. So what is the distance covered? Distance will be equal to speed into time. So in the previous sub question we found the speed, right? We'll use that speed. What is the speed? 70 into, what is the time? 6.2. So 70 into 6.2. 0, 2s are 14 into again 0, 6 7s are 42. So you'll get the answer as 34 point. So you'll get the answer as 434 kilometers. It is 434 kilometers. Okay. Now coming to the third sub question. What's the third sub question? Have a look at the third sub question. The time taken by him to cover 210 kilometer. So distance is given here. In this case distance is given 210 kilometer. Assume that throughout the journey the speed of Rohit remains uniform. So uniform means the speed remains same. What is the speed here? 70 kilometer per hour. So time will be equal to distance by speed. The three formulas we learned in our previous class. Okay. So that is 210 by 70. Zeros is getting cancelled. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So you'll get 3 hours. Okay. Since speed is in kilometer per hour, you can take it as. Now coming to the next question. Question number 6. A boy drives a scooter with a uniform speed of 45. Speed is given as 45 kilometer per hour. Find the distance covered by him in. So first sub question time is given as 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay. 1 hour 20 minutes. You need to find the speed. So 1 hour 20 minutes, how do I convert it into hour itself? 20 minutes can be converted as 20 by 60. Okay. 1 hour 20 minutes means 120 by 60. So you can cancel it here. So let me do it. Wait. Okay. You know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So to convert minute to hour, what I have to do? 1 minute will be equal to 1 by 60 hours. So 20 minutes will be equal to 20 by 60 hours. Okay. So 20 by 60 means 0 and 0 is getting cancelled. 1, 3. So finally you will get us 1 by 3 hours. So time will be equal to now 1 is already there. 1 hour. 1 by 3. That is equal to converting 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 by 3 hours. Okay. So what is our speed is given? Distance. Distance is equal to, first sub question we are doing, speed into time. What's the speed given here? Speed is equal to 45 into time is 4 by 3 hours. So I can cancel, no, 3 ones are, in 4 3 will go one time, one balance, 15 3 will go 15 times. So 15 fours are, what is 15 fours are? You already learned table, so you know it's 5 fours are 20, 60, 15 fours are 60. So you can write directly as 60 kilometer. You have to see what's the unit given in speed. So same unit you can write for the distance. It's in kilometer, so here it will be in kilometer. Now coming to the second sub question. The time taken by him to cover 108 kilometer. So speed is given again. Let me write. Distance is given here, right? Distance is equal to 108 kilometer. Speed is already given initially in the question, 45 kilometer per hour. So you need to find the time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 108 by 45. So how do we do it? 108 divided by 45. 45 twos are 90. So 8 1. So you'll get the answer as 2 to 18 by 45. Again, I can divide it by 8. Even we can do the decimal division also here, right? So what we can do here is, so dividing it by 18, what you're getting it? 18. So you get it here, it is 18. So in 18, how many times? I can put a point here and put a 0. It will not go in 18. So 45 into 4, let me check. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s is 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 180. So it is 2.4. 180. 0. So you'll get the answer as 2.4 hours. 2.4 hours. So you can just leave it as 2.4 hours. Hope it's clear. Now coming to the third sub question. Time taken to cover 900 meters. Time to cover distance is given as 900 meters. Okay. So in order to complete 900 meters, how much time is taken. So time is again equal to, what is time? Distance by speed. Distance by speed. So again here you have to convert this into kilometer, because since your speed is in kilometer. So 900 meter will be equal to 900 divided by 1000, that is 9 by 10 is 0.9 kilometer. So you can write 0.9 divided by 45, that will be a speed. So 0.9 by 45, I can write it as into 10 into 10. So I'll get it as 9 by 450. So 9 months are 9 finds are 1 by 50 I'm getting. Okay. So 1 by 50. Here I've converted into meter to kilometer. So 1 by 50 hour I can write as 1 by 50 into 60. Right? To convert it into minute. So 1 by 60 into 50 will give me 6 by 5. What is 6 by 5? 6 by 5. Ones are 5. 1. So 0.10. 10 will, in 5 will go in 10 2 times. So you'll get the answer as 1.2 minutes. Okay. 1.2 minutes you're getting. Hope it's clear to you all. So you can write again either as 1 by 50 hour or 1 by 50 will be 0.50, that is 1 by 50 hour, or you can write as 1.2 minutes. Hope it's clear to you all.